Once upon a time, in the Grand Kingdom of Chesslandia, there were two rivaling monarchs, King White and King Black. Their realms were divided by a vast battlefield, a checkered expanse of 64 squares, each side possessing an army of 16 pieces. The kings were always in a perpetual state of strategic warfare, each seeking to outwit the other. One day, King White decided to launch an attack. He knew that the first few moves were crucial, the opening salvo that would set the tone for the entire battle. He called upon his loyal subjects, the pawns, knights, bishops, rooks, queen, and of course, himself, the king. He explained the principles of the opening, the rules that would guide them to a strong start. First, he began, we must control the center. The four squares at the heart of the battlefield are the most powerful. If we control them, we control the game. The pawns nodded, understanding their role. They were not the most powerful, but they were the most numerous, and they could control the center. Second, King White continued, we must develop our pieces quickly. We cannot win this battle with pawns alone. We need the knights, the bishops, and the rooks in the game as soon as possible. The knights, bishops, and rooks listened attentively, ready to leap into action. Third, he said, you must protect me. I am the heart of your kingdom. If I fall, we all fall. The queen, the most powerful piece on the board, understood her role. She would protect the king at all costs. With these principles in mind, King White launched his attack. The pawns marched forward, taking control of the center. The knights leapt over the pawns, ready to attack. The bishops slid out from their corners, their long-range power unleashed. The rooks, once trapped behind the pawns, were now free to join the battle, and the queen, in her powerful glory, stood by the king, ready to defend him. King Black, watching from across the battlefield, realized his mistake. He had neglected the opening principles. His pawns were scattered, his pieces undeveloped, and he was exposed. He could see the power of King White's position, and he knew he was in a disaster. The battle raged on, but King White's strong opening gave him the advantage. His pieces worked together, controlling the battlefield and putting King Black on the defensive. Despite King Black's best efforts, he could not overcome the power of a strong opening. In the end, King White emerged victorious. His kingdom celebrated, knowing that their king had led them to victory with his wisdom and strategic prowess. And King Black, in his defeat, learned a valuable lesson, the importance of the opening principle. From that day forward, every battle in Chesslandia began with a focus on the opening principles. The pawns controlled the center, the pieces were developed quickly, and the king was protected. And every battle was a testament to the power of a strong opening. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in Chesslandia with SL Chess Academy. If you want to continue exploring the magical world of chess with us, please click subscribe and hit the bell icon. And don't forget to share our stories with your friends.